This JMP demonstration will show you how to use JMP's interactive teaching and learning tools. JMP comes with a collection of interactive tools for teaching statistical concepts, as well as a collection of calculators for computing confidence intervals and hypothesis tests, either from summary statistics or raw data. You can access JMP's teaching tools in one of two ways. The easiest way is via the Student menu, which is included in the JMP Student Edition, and also can be installed into other versions of JMP software with the Student add-in, which can be found at jmp.com/tools. If you'd rather not use the Student menu, you can access the teaching tools by going to Help, Sample Index, and then selecting Tool as the content type. For now, we'll use the Student menu to access the teaching tools. As an example, let's look at a statistical concept applet, specifically the confidence interval for the population mean. This is an interactive simulator that repeatedly samples from a population with user-defined parameters. And for each sample, it computes and graphs a confidence interval. Here we're using 95% confidence intervals, and as these samples and their intervals accumulate, we can see that approximately 95% of the intervals contain the population mean. This and the other teaching applets are full-featured, and you can click the Help button inside each one to access detailed documentation. Along with the applets, JMP also contains confidence interval and hypothesis test calculators under the Calculators menu. For example, the hypothesis test for one proportion calculator performs a one-sample proportion test from either raw data or summary statistics, the latter of which are common in textbook problems and summary reports. Here we'll choose summary statistics and input our values to obtain the test result. Clicking the Help button pulls up the documentation, where we can find instructions for using the calculator and statistical details that tell us that this calculator uses the normal approximation method, which is commonly taught in introductory statistics courses. Note that if you're teaching with JMP, you might want to visit jmp.com/teach to access a wider library of JMP teaching resources.